Hello, my name is Henrik Molsen. I'm from CIM Industrial Systems. In this webcast I will show you how you can easily modify a plugin for the FlexStand operator interface. To show you how simple it is to modify a plugin for FlexStand, I will use the simple example that is shipped with FlexStand. So this interface has a very limited number of buttons and indicators. It has a simple indicator here that tells the time and date, and it has a few buttons here to control the execution. Now I will just load a test sequence that is shipped with a test stand, and you may be familiar with it. It's called a computer motherboard test sequence. And this just simulates a test of a computer motherboard. I can now enter a serial number for this board. So in this dialog I can simulate if something should fail. Now I will let everything pass for this time. And the test sequence passed. And this starts over again. I can enter a new serial number. And I can say that I will now simulate that the ROM has failed. And it tells me it failed. And it will continue like this until I have no more UUTs to test. Now what I really need in this interface is actually a test report that can tell me what actually passed and what failed in these tests. So I think I would like to add a test report to the interface here in the middle of the operator screen. And I'll show you how to do that. I'll just move this a bit up and open the VI that is the plugin in the middle of this operator interface. It's called the main plugin. So I'll just put this one away. So you can see this VI here with the three buttons is actually the VI that runs in the operator interface up here. So if I look at the diagram of this operator interface here, or of this plugin, you can see that it has some API functions out here that connects the various buttons to the FlexStand API. It also has a user event loop here that takes the events that comes from the FlexStand kernel. And you can see this one is a very simple one. It only has a quit application message event, which actually just stops the VI. So now what I want to do here is to add the report to this front panel. To do that I will need some more space. So I'll just put this one down. And then I will go to the test stand palette and find the report view control. And then I will add this to my front panel. Now what happened in the diagram is that I got a control here called Test and UI Report View Control. Now this control I will put up here, and then I need to tell FlexStand that this is a report view that actually should show my report. And to do that I will bring up the API function from FlexStand that does this. So I have to go to the FlexStand OI palette and go to the Views palette here. And one of these is Connect Report View, this one. So this VI I will put in here. And then connect this to the other one here. And then I connect the control to this VI. So now the control is connected to the FlexStand kernel, and actually this connects to the test stand and tells test stand that whenever the test has finished, the report should be shown in this control. Now I think this control is a bit too small, so I think I'll make it a bit larger. So this is better. So I will save this VI and close this, and I will close FlexStand and restart it again. And what you should see now is that you should notice now that the operator interface actually has changed size. Because I made this VI, the front panel of this VI larger, the entire operator screen now has a larger size. And you can see the report has been placed in here. So let's see if it works. So once again I will load the computer motherboard example and run this. And we enter a serial number and just press OK here. So you can now see that the report is already in the report view. So now we have the report here. This is a standard HTML report from TestStand. By making this very simple modification to the example, we've already created a user interface that has a lot more information than the one we started out with, and it only took a few minutes. Thank you for watching this webcast.